Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. We have a square minus b is equal to 133, b square minus a is equal to 133. Find the value of a and b given that a is not equal to b. We will start the solution of this question. We will mark the first equation a square minus b equal 133 as a first equation, and this as a second, b square minus a equals 133. This is our second equation. Now we will subtract equation 1 from 2, so we get a square minus b square minus a equals 133 minus 133. So this will be a square minus b square plus a equals 133 minus 133, it is equal to 0. Now we will rearrange this by a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now we know that a square minus b square is a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So we will put this formula here: a minus b, a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 0. Now a minus b, we take a minus b common, left with a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. A minus b equal to 0 or a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. We will add b on both sides. We get a equals b, but we have given the condition that a not equal to b, so we will reject this case, and by solving this, subtract 1 on both sides. We have a plus b equals minus 1, and this is our third equation. We will use this further. First we subtract equation 1 from 2. Now we will add these equations. It will a square minus b plus b square minus a is equal to 133 plus 133. This is a square plus b square minus a minus b equals 133 plus 133 is 266. We write this as a square plus b square, taking minus common. Now a plus b equals 266. We know that a plus b is equal to minus 1. Put minus 1 here. A square plus b square minus 1 equals 266. This is a square plus b square, minus into minus plus 1 equals 266. Subtract 1 on both sides. A square plus b square equals 266 minus 1. So we get a square plus b square equals 265. This is our fourth equation. Now we will move forward. We know that a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. We know the value of a plus b, which is -1, and we know a square plus b square is 265. We will put these values here. -1 square, 265 plus 2ab, 1 equals 265 plus 2ab. We will take 265 on the left side. 1 minus 265 equals 2ab. This is minus 264 equals 2ab. Now we will divide 2 on both sides of the equation. 2 cancel with 2. 2 1, 2 1, 3 2. So we have AB equals -132, which is our fifth equation. Now we know that a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. We know the value of a square plus b square, which is 265, and ab is -132. So we will put these values to find out a minus b. A minus b whole square equals 265 minus 2, ab is -132. A minus b whole square equals 265 minus plus 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2. A minus b whole square equals 5 4 9, 6 6 12, 1 carry, 2 2 4, 5 to 9. Now we will take the square root on both sides of the equation. A minus b whole square, 5 to 9 plus minus. This square cancel with square root. A minus b equals plus minus square root of 529 is 23. So we have two cases. A minus b equals plus 23, case 1, and case 2 is a minus b minus 23. We will first deal with case 1. A minus b is 23, whereas a plus b is this one, -1. A plus b is -1. We will solve this simultaneous linear equation to get a and b value. We will add these two equations. A plus a 2a, minus b plus b cancel, plus 23 minus 1 22. Divide 2 on both sides. 2 1 to 11. A equals 11. Put the value of a back in the equation. A plus b equal -1. What is a? 11 plus b -1. Subtract 11 on both. We get b equal -12. So we have ab value 11 minus 12. This is for the first case. Now we will solve the second case. A plus b equal -1. We will add these two equations. A plus a 2a minus b plus b 0 minus 23 minus 1 minus 24. Divide 2 on both sides. A equals 2 1 2 12 minus 12. Put this value back in the first equation. A minus b minus 23. What is a? Minus 12 minus b minus 23. Add 12 on both sides. Minus b minus 23 plus 12. Minus b equals minus 11 and b equals 11. So we have AB equals minus 12 and 11. We have two values of A and B in pair. We will check first this value of AB equals 11 minus 12, whether it is correct or not. We have equation a square minus b equal 133. What is a? 11 square minus b is minus 12 equal 133. 11 square is 121 plus 12 133. 121 plus 12 is 133 equal 133. Mean left hand side equal right hand side. Now we'll check this pair. A B equals minus 12 11. We have equation b square minus a equal 133. What is b? 11 square minus what is a? Minus 12 133. This is 121 plus 12 133, and this is also 133 equals 133. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So we have two values of a and b. One is 11 minus 12. Second is minus 12 11. So this is the final answer of this question. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of my new daily math videos. Thank you for watching.